I wanted to show this to you on our kitchen island sink because that's where our water splashes the most and it's the most noticeable. When your sink is out in the open, there's nowhere for messes to hide. This is the faucet mat and it sits right behind the faucet. It's made of silicone and shaped with a slight slope so the water doesn't just sit there, it runs back into the sink. This fit really easily. You just slide it around the faucet base and it lays flat without curling or slipping around. It's got a really snug fit. I was highly impressed. What I noticed right away is how it catches those little splashes you don't even realize are happening when you wash your dishes or rinse your hands. Instead of water pooling up on the counter or dripping down the cabinet, it flows back into the sink. Even on an open island, it still does its job. The material dries quickly too. It doesn't stay wet or get that musty smell like cloth mats do. And it's great to have under the soap container or some extra little scrubbies or scrapers to set on there. This is especially nice if you're trying to keep your counters looking clean all day without constantly wiping them, which I was doing that. It's one of those little things you don't think you need until you use it and realize how much water it was actually catching. We were sent this to test out, and overall, this keeps the area around the faucet drier, cleaner, and way less annoying to maintain. I would definitely recommend.